going back to this is basically using the heat generated. You can actually do it all single-handed by poking that in there and getting a little crane. But intrinsically, most people tend to use it two-handed. Yeah, that's the nature of heat. You're using the heat generated by the flame. You want to be at least a hand span away.
So we just did a trial along the Strand on the Green, which is a kilometre of the Thames, where we were literally in the beaches. It's not how they call those things beaches. You're just slogging away in the sludge of the Thames.
Yeah.
But on the wall, literally on the wall, where the tide's kind of coming in, washing the silt into the cracks in the wall. And you're just getting little weeds constantly growing. They actually had an issue that the weeds in one area got bigger and bigger and bigger, and the roots damaged the wall so much that the wall gave way and they flooded a £10 million home, which I imagine was a lovely insurance claim to deal with. That is almost a perfect scenario because the weeds are small in the wall and it's nice and moist, so you haven't got any kind of fire concerns at all.